well, basically asks how to simplify a fraction within a fraction, but word for word, if I have a fraction as a numerator and another fraction as a denominator, is there a good way I could simplify that?
Yeah, I can help you with that for sure. That sounds like a middle schooler's nightmare, really. Whenever I'll show you a picture of what we're talking about, and it will definitely look confusing. So I'm going to make an example. So they said it was a fraction as the numerator, and then a fraction as the denominator. So essentially a superfraction. You've got a fraction, two fractions in a fraction. What you want to remember whenever you're thinking about simplifying this is the fact that this fraction bar is really division. That's really what the fraction bar is dividing. And so one way that we can rewrite this that might make it a little bit simpler is if I wrote the numerator and then divided by the denominator. So like this. And in fact, this makes it a lot easier to deal with. So this might even be something that you already know how to deal with. It just, when it's written as a fraction, you know, numerator, fraction, denominator, it's a lot more confusing. I will go ahead and simplify this and show how to simplify this, just in case at this point you're still unsure. I always used for fraction division, I always used this mnemonic device to help remember what to do. KCF, kind of like KFC, but switch the C and F. What it stands for is keep it, change it, flip it. So keep it, meaning the first fraction, you'll keep it the same. Change it, you'll change your division sign to multiplication. And then flip it, you're going to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. And then from there, when we multiply fractions, we just go numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So 1 times 4 gives us the 4 numerator. 2 times 3 gives us the 6 denominator. And then, of course, we want to simplify. So this would end up giving us 2/3. So again, long story short, that fraction bar, all that is, it's just division. And so if you think about it that way, it makes the problem possibly a little bit less confusing. So hopefully that helps answer your question. I did make up an example, but the ideas work with any numbers or even variables if you wanted to do it.